In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or delete prototyping in Figma. If you've ever found yourself needing to clean up your Figma file by removing unnecessary or outdated prototypes, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step to ensure your design files stay organized and clutter-free. First, head to the Figma website. You can access Figma through your browser by entering the site address in your URL bar, so go ahead and open up a new tab or window. It's essential to log in with your credentials to access your projects, so if you're not automatically signed in, click on the Log In button, which you should see prominently displayed on the site. Enter your email and password, or use another sign-in method if you prefer, and get yourself into your Figma account. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your Figma homepage. Here, you'll see a list of your recent files and any teams you're part of. Navigate to the specific file that contains the prototype you wish to remove. You can access this from the Recent Files section, or by searching through your projects if it's not immediately visible. Once you've opened the file, you're in what's known as the Design view. This area is where you can manipulate various elements of your design project. Find the object or frame associated with the prototype connection you want to delete. When you've located it, ensure it's selected. It's crucial because prototyping connections are often specific to individual objects or frames within Figma. Now switch over to the Prototype tab. You'll typically find this at the top of your interface alongside the Design and Inspect tabs. Clicking on the Prototype tab will reveal all the prototyping connections related to your selected object. This is the environment where Figma displays the interactive behaviors and links set between frames. With the prototype view open, examine the connections. You'll see lines indicating associations between different design elements or frames. Identify the connection you no longer need, hover over it, and you'll notice options or handles to manipulate these links. Finally, to remove a prototyping connection, look for the option labeled Remove or a similar delete symbol. Clicking on this will remove the connection, effectively deleting the prototype from your project. Take a moment to verify that the unnecessary links are removed, ensuring everything is now streamlined according to your current design intentions. And that's it, you've successfully removed a prototype from your Figma file. By following these straightforward steps, you can maintain a more organized and efficient design space, allowing you to focus on innovating and crafting incredible digital experiences. Keep exploring and refining your work, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need to tidy up your Figma projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.